Good morning. This is Frank with Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and ninZa Pro Traders. Looks like we had an overnight open somewhere around 2108.25 right in here. Overnight lows at the 2106.50. Overnight highs at 2116.25. You can see we just consolidated sideways to a little after midnight, and then we broke up into our next zone up into here and consolidated a little bit sideways, reaching the top of yesterday's zone at 2115.75 here, and then we headed right back down into this area at 2125 and moving on down. So if we hold below this zone at right in this zone below the 2112 area here, move back down, look for us to retouch the 2110 fib support, followed by a little bit of movement right into the 29 area. Now, if we're going to stay long today, the bulls just keep stepping in here. We'll look for the bounce off of this, right back up into this zone. A little bit of a pullback, and then we should drive right back up to the overnight high at 2116 for target one. Look for then a pullback to the top of this zone. We need this zone to hold and start moving up into this area. Now we're going pretty much blind up in this area. We're looking for key resistance up here at 21, 22, 25. Now, if we could get up into there, there might be some little bit of pullback, a little bit of contention. It might even pull all the way back to this 2116 again before driving right back up. So be cautious. But if we get into this zone, it pulls back to about the 21 area here. Look for a drive up into the 26 area, back into the zone as it decides what we're going to try to do. Next target up is the 2130 area, so be cautious. That's probably about the high for the day, but we have possible targets up into the 2137 area. Now, if we come right back down here, we close below this 2110 fib support down into this zone. Look for a bounce off of this support somewhere between this whole zone, the 2108, 2107. This is the area consolidation for last night. So somewhere right in here, double bottom, we'll look for a push right back up to the long side. As soon as it clears the 2110 and gets a close above it, look for the long scenario again. However, if we get down here, it comes back up and retests the now fib resistance and back down into the zone. If it closes below the zone, about 2105 area, once it gets below this area right in here, then look for us to go to the downside. First positive target at 2102 all the way down into this 2099. Be kind of a cautious area in here. Once we get down about this 2102 area, look for the pullback to retest the fib resistance as it joins us down here and or this zone about the 21.6 and drive right back down to this 21 area. Look for a strong test and support here at 2100 as the market tries to blow right back up into the long direction. If it happens to get below this, follow-up targets are 96 and 91, although I don't expect any push below 2100 today as well. So keep your eye on this. If it gets in this area, start looking for the long scenario and working your way back up. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.